Today we're going to be working on the lighting for the back of the car. So even though the body's not done, I need to make sure that I have all the wiring finished for the back end of the car. And because, I do want to drive this car while, the body's not finished and stuff. And so I'm going to go ahead and cut all that stuff in and then clean up all this wiring and then probably try to mock up and install my reverse lighting idea and kind of go from there. So let's see what happens. So just like the, idea of possibly painting this grill, and then I finally, everybody said I need to polish it. There's other things that people have commented on, like, the prop rods for the hood and the trunk being up, and some of the other fittings and stuff that I should really polish those too. And so my neighbor Bob actually has a polisher, and so I'm going to run over there and kind of put some of this theory into play and see what it looks like. And if so, I'm going to finish up and actually polish all the prop rods and get that stuff ready. Well, as you can see, it's nice and gleamy. I don't have a lot of light on this, but you could definitely see that there's a mirror finish to it. So it actually came out great, and so I did both of them. I got a second one down there. So it came out really nice. And then, the parts that attach to that little triangle, I did paint. So, but, look at this table. This table is really like, there's not much left on it. And I even brought some gauges. There's some gauges on the table. So I'm actually filling the table with a few things that are still left in boxes on the other side of the house. But for the most part, this is really all disappearing, which is great. And then some of the things I have left is just, weather stripping that goes around all the edges of where the body meets the frame. And that's the last thing that I'm ever going to put on. So we're getting close.